So we have some Tesla news.
Tesla launches wildly overpriced solid-state drive for video games in Sentry mode. Launching a new solid-state hard drive to hold your games and your Sentry mode videos, which you need. This stuff will fill up for sure.
You were telling me about this.
And it's for Steam, really, right?
Absolutely. When we talk about storage inside vehicles, we're talking about trunk space, but in this case, we're talking about digital storage space. Local storage is still going to be the fastest storage, obviously. So, I don't know what's in the car by default. 100 gigs? No, wait, what did I say? More specifically, owners are going to need more storage to install video games, which can reach 100 gigs in size. Oh, yeah, obviously. And USB drives are not going to be as quick, I presume. Today, Tesla has launched a new Tesla-branded solid-state drive for its vehicles in the online shop. Oh, I should pick this up.
Yeah, that looks cool.
Except I'm guessing the price is staggering.
Yeah, it's quite a lot.
Speaking of other solid-state drives, they're ridiculously cheap compared to Tesla's. Tesla's asking $350 for 1 TB without anything special about it. However, it does fit nicely in Tesla's glove box. A good portable 1 terabyte drive costs $100. Yeah, well, I wouldn't be surprised if that's marked up. Can you show me the product page? I mean, and it's got like a special little case around it.
Also says Tesla.
USB-A to USB-C adapter. Oh, USB-A. I mean, how fast is it? How fast is this thing? How fast does it need to be?
That doesn't feel like Tesla.
That doesn't feel right to you?
No.
Store everything from arcade games to dash cam footage. It's coming out February 2023. Save all your vehicle data in one place. Automotive grade SSD. Does it have some? No, maybe it has some.
Is it waterproof or
maybe
something?
It has some special attributes. I don't know.
Shock absorbent.
Extreme cabin temperatures, vehicle shocks and vibrations. Extended lifespan compared to similar storage devices. And read-write speeds optimized for gaming. Come on, Mo. No?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Mo, come on, Mo.
The dash cam thing is a kind of a useful to store
And
the
also
footage everywhere.
Sentry mode, because it's always recording. So if you want to save the footage, it's even like better to have more storage.
Sentry was using too much of my battery, though.
Yeah, I was just gonna ask.
Like,
you
I don't know.
about that.
I don't know what's up with that.
Oh, you don't use it?
I guess it depends how busy the area you're leaving the car.
Sure.
Definitely not in the studio. You best turn that off.
Yeah, because it would be pinged.
You set it as an office location, and then it won't do Sentry anymore.
Yeah.
But even once I set that up, I still was like, man, I wonder. I'd be curious to figure out exactly how much usage it is if you park your car in a busy parking lot and every time it has to fire up. But anyway, yeah, more storage here is good. The key thing here, I haven't got the update yet. So I don't even have the Steam on there yet. And I'm going to be keeping an eye on it, but
What are the sizes of games these days, Will?
up to 100 gigs.
Yeah, like on average, maybe 50 gigabytes.
And this
somewhere
says
around
how
here.
much space we'll have?
1 terabyte.
Oh, 1 terabyte. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a few games.
Oh, yeah, you got a free game.
Yeah, okay.
You're ready to go. Playing games in the car there.